All right, so I got this new cabinet handle jig. So I'm gonna open it up and see what we got. All right, so it's all assembled, and the benefit of this is going to be giving that precise measurement. So in this case, I have it 4 inches apart. So I would use these two holes here to, if I were to do a 4-inch apart handle, like a cabinet or drawers or anywhere where you need to make that precise measurement. It comes with a stopper, and so I would just use it right here, drill 2 holes, and I would have that measurement. This also comes with these 2 hex screws or 2 Allen wrenches that come with it, and also comes with a drill bit. So hopefully this is helpful to you, and thanks for watching.